Well, hi, and thanks for joining me this afternoon in my shop. I'm going to be showing some things I picked up today at a HamFest that I'm going to be using here in my videos, or at least in the making of my videos, which you might get a kick out of seeing. So here we go. And I'm going to show you first is the new mixer board. It's dark, a little hard to see. I got another camera for it. That's replacing this one here. And another one that I had working together wasn't all that great. I'm hoping things are pretty great now. So let's take a little bit of a closer look at that guy. So there he is. So I'm expecting this to really work magic for my my audio, which seemed to be okay before. I think it's going to be a little better yet now. So that's what I'm now working with. Fantastic. I also picked up a microphone. Part of the deal. And what's next? What's next? Okay, so oh, I know what's next. I'm trying to think. No wonder I can't think of it. It's headphones. Yeah, they're on my head. So there, I'll take them off. So I got these headphones. Now I have a pair of headphones exactly like this. These are fantastic headphones. I think these are well known. These AKG headphones. So mine are real old. I bought them when I was in college, and I still use them virtually every day. So when I saw this pair and I got them for a song and a dance, I wanted to grab them right away. But these had a problem, which is I'll show you what the problem is. You can kind of see a little evidence of it. See the loose string there. So this headband part is kind of spring-loaded on some elastic bands here, and they lose their elasticity eventually. And then this thing, this head part, floats high, or worse yet, it certainly worked for me because of the way my ears stick out. These things ride low, and then they hang on the top of your ear, and it's very uncomfortable. So to fix that is so simple with these headphones. You don't need to do anything about this string. I mean, there's no need. Just get a little screwdriver like so. You see there's two plastic parts. Okay, so you take this upper one, that one that just marks. You loosen the screw back here. I won't do it now because I've already done it. You slide this downwards, and it begins to push this down. Slide it down where you want it. Tighten it up. Tighten it up. Yes, this loses its elasticity. Doesn't matter at all. Doesn't matter at all. And now these headphones, they sit on my head perfectly. My ears are not banging into these. Fantastic headphones. So I think people trash these when these little strings give out, and the repair is what, a screwdriver and a little bit of that. So that's fantastic. Now the other thing I was going to show you here, which I haven't tried out yet, unfortunately just before I started the video I knocked it over and it all fell out. So it all fell out of this really nice case. I'm just going to set this kind of like this. There we go. And another thing. So this is a wireless microphone. I am curious about trying a few things with it. Okay, and there's a lapel microphone that's probably fallen, so we're going to try and give this guy a go right away. So that's the receiver. That's going to go right into that mixer box. It has batteries. It's never been used. The most that's happened to this is some idiot threw it on the floor. That's now the 9-volt battery is going to last a long time. I got a proper battery tester here. 3 volts. Well, apparently this didn't last. So that's out. Also have this battery. This looks like it's been leaking a little bit. Yeah, I think so. So this is done. I'm sure if the 9-volt battery's done yet, the other one will be too. So, okay, so I gotta grab a 9-volt battery here. Okay, 9-volt. Ooh. You could describe this. Cheap might be a good way to describe this. But it did say professional. Really? Come on. Really? You put the battery in. There's no way you can fit this cover back on. Okay, I'll show you that on close-up, but just believe me. I'll leave it like that though. I don't need the cover to make it work or not. It's got this super duper antenna here. Now what turns it on? Good. On. Yeah, that's lit. Okay, so that's ready to go. So that's the receiver. This is the transmitter. On, off, volume, power. Okay, let's see if we can close this door with a battery in there. Voila. Okay. Power on, off. Great. Now, where's the... Here. Good. Show. Here's the lapel microphone. Guess what I'm going to do? We're going to try this one. I won't lapel it. I will just leave it like that. Okay. So let's plug in first. Put on the headphones so I can hear what you guys are hearing, or what you are hearing. Okay, so I'm gonna plug this in. Well, watch the action here. Thrill of it all. Off. There we go. So that's on number 4. I did not switch it on. Let me switch it on. Always be better. There. Okay. Switched on. Switched on. You guys hear me mumbling down there. Just check this out. So this is the only mic. This is the only mic that's on in here right now. The usual mics are off. Now, let me... So this will be the wireless one. Now let's see, I'll put this down. Oh! Okay, so, okay, something, okay, not okay, what's happening here? I don't know, some strange stuff going on. I put on the usual microphones. Yeah, I don't understand at all what the heck just happened. How can we be hearing with one control up, hearing two things? How can that be? So this is my overbench mic. One by my computer. This is the one. Oh, just changing its impedance. It's the one I thought was off. It wasn't off. It's off. Oh my gosh, it's working really well. Really? Is that the wireless? Oh yeah. See my hands near it, I guess I'm introducing some hum. Hands away. Well, isn't that just fantastic? Okay, so we're going to go straight to my experiment. Okay, so I'm going to go out to the garage, and I'm going to go right out, walk around my property a bit with this microphone. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going past the washroom, going down the hall now. I'm reaching the door to the garage opening. Cat running in. Door closing. Okay, walking through the garage, past the car, close to the door. I'm at the door. Far side of the garage. A lot of wind. Okay, outside of a laundry room. Okay, just leaving it out here. Okay, wow, that wireless microphone is fantastic. Only just happened to be looking at this, which came with it. Microphone, pure phone, but it only has just a two contact wire. How can that possibly work? Anyway, not to worry about that. The last thing I got was a whole bunch, was a box full, a box of knobs. I can speak English here. So what I've done is I've gone through and I've separated the knobs into groups in various ways. That's nice, eh? And stuck them here in this box. So I'm not going to show them all to you because it's just a bunch of knobs, but anyway. All in an effort to get a knob for this radio. It's really what's got me buying knobs. Because this radio came to me missing the two knobs that go here. That's the best solution I've come up with. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll get back at working at that radio. I have another one to put the last finishing touches on, then we're going to give them both a test. We're going to have a radio competition between the two of them. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you on the next video.